Oh, there we go, Cooking General. Hey, I'm here on a serious tip today. Now, I've made some videos about pig feet, and I know I made a baked pig feet, I done barbecue pig feet, I done deep fried pig feet. Y'all can see that on the video. But there's still a problem that people have with pig feet. And I went around the neighborhood to ask people what's wrong with pig feet. And I got the same conclusion. The same conclusion came with a problem I done a long time ago. This problem, we're going to solve it today. Now, I'm not going to tell you the name of the problem right now because I'm going to let them tell you so you'll know that, hey, I ain't joking about this here because I'm very serious about my pig feet. Now, come here. We're going to do some pig feet now, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do them. We're going to ball these here. Now, come here, let me show you this here. Now, I got the pig feet right here. There we go. Now, we're going to get them there done. Right. Now, we're going to put a jalapeno. We're going to put a habanero. We got an onion and bell pepper right here. Now, we can use butter or margarine. This margarine. We got hot sauce. We got cayenne pepper, paprika. Now, this is a pepper seasoning, and we got a garlic salt. Now, this problem with pig feet finna stop. And Cooking General gonna stop it right now. Because I thought I saw this problem a long time ago. Hey, I'm gonna let them tell you. Ask somebody.
Oh, man. Hey, man. If I brought you a bowl of pig feet, man, what you need to eat with them?
Just a bottle of hot sauce.
All right.
Oh, there we go. Cooking General. Hey, I told you I'm gonna find out this problem. If I gotta keep driving for all over Washington County, I'm gonna find out what's wrong with these pig feet, and you probably know it by now. Hey, it ain't getting the right season to it, the hot sauce, you don't need it. I saw that problem a long time ago. So come here, let me show you how you do that. Now, I got my pig feet in this water, I can boil it. The only thing I added was the garlic salt. I added some cayenne pepper, and I add my pepper seasoning. Now, that's my habanero, my jalapeno, my onion and bell pepper. Put it in that water. Now, you want to bring that to a boil. And when you get that to a boil, you just go in and let them boil until they get tender. When they get tender, hey, then we're going to make that sauce. A sauce that you don't need, the other thing that people said they needed. So let me keep driving and find out what's happening. Ask somebody.
If I brought you some pig feet, what do you else you need to eat with them?
I need some hot sauce, because that's what they go with, hot sauce.
All right, thank you.
All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. A quick tip. Says the camera person that's coughing can't deal with the peppers. I'm gonna melt me about a little over half a stick of margarine, and you can use butter now. Now, see, this is my hot sauce. You pour it off in there like that. Now, adding a little cayenne pepper, just a little bit, ain't much. Then my paprika for color. There we go. Now, I'm gonna stir this up and maybe add just another half a cup of water to it. And we're gonna let this simmer. And when our pig feet get done, we're gonna simmer it in there. And I guarantee you, you won't need hot sauce. Ask somebody.
Man, we're out in the boondocks. Trying to find people old school, you know what I'm saying? They're going to put them hot sauce on them pig feet. But we're going to keep on traveling and we're going to find out. You will see that hot sauce goes on pig feet. Ask somebody.
Okay, since I put the rest of the stick of margarine in there, so that's a whole stick of margarine. Now you say you can use butter, and I got that there simmering right now, getting ready. And as you can see, it's steaming up my lens, but you can see I got the pig feet, they boiling, got the top on it, onions, the bell pepper, the jalapenos, and the habaneros. They are going real good.
All right, let's see what they need. Excuse me, ma'am. If I brought you a bowl of pig feet, what else do you need to eat with them?
Hold on for a second, sir.
All right.
A good bottle of Louisiana hot sauce.
Oh, yeah, that'll work. That'll
Plus, to wash it all down,
work.
can of Bush beer.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. You better ask somebody.
This is it.
All righty.
All right, Cooking Joe, we finally finished here. Man, I'm telling you. Now, this here hot knuckles, man, hot knuckle pig feet. Boy, come here, let me show you something. Now look at that. Look at them. They don't need no hot sauce on them at all. It's all cooked in them. And you can look at them from the regular ones, and then you can see the ones I got. See there? They just steaming right there. Man, you talking about me, see, get you a shot at it.
A little light on them. You can see that he's bubbling in there. And see there? No hot sauce at all.
So there you go. Cooking General shows you how to do another one. Man, hot knuckle pig feet, no hot sauce. That problem now is solved. Ask somebody.
Welcome to the Cooking General Quick Tip. Now, say you having a little party, you know, just a little party for the kids, and you want to make some chili. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have hot dogs. So, but you want for the adults too, so you want to have a little bit more meat or flavor. So what do? You go and you get your extra pound of ground meat. And you bring your ground meat, and the only thing you add to it, you add your little garlic pepper and more chili powder to it. And then you take it and you strain it and you add that to your Wolf brand chili. Not only make it taste better, but to give it a more meatier bite. That's a Cooking General Quick Tip. Ask somebody.